Welcome to Day 7 of our Carnival Panorama Mexican Riviera cruise. Day 7 is a port day in Cabo San Lucas.
We are now on the shuttle to go to shore because Cabo is a tender port. There's our friend Benny, aka Robin Padilla, getting on the water shuttle. It's out of Hey Benny, come here. Our water shuttle is now moving. There's some waves. Let's turn to the other side and say goodbye to our Carnival Panorama. Okay, we're almost there. Try to catch our excursion. It's a city tour plus glass bottom boat. So we are here now at the harbor and we're just waiting for our tour to start at 8. So it turns out that the glass bottom boat can only accommodate 15 people, so Manny and I will be on a different boat, but we're hoping to join them for the city tour afterwards. Hello!
Good morning.
How was the excursion so far? Good morning.
Okay, good.
Good.
It's hot.
Oh, it's not as hot as yesterday.
Oh yeah? Oh my.
We are walking towards our boat. Hopefully the boat really has a glass bottom for short tour around. There's the lighthouse again. Oh, there's the church. Is that the church up there? All the way out there. We're on our glass bottom tour now, and you can see the bottom is not really glass. It's plexiglass. Is that the church up there? That looks like the church or a church down there. So we're getting out into the open waters now on our way to Los Altos. Oh, there's the Carnival Panorama out there. We have some nice size waves.
Like a local fish. El corsario is weird name. Very cold. Cold, is it?
I think we're gonna go splash. There's our Carnival Panorama, which looking back close to the shore, I guess this is shore shuttle. Oh, is this the arc thing? Oh, I think they're gonna take us to the point where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. Two pelicans there. And is that a sea lion or a seal? I never know the difference. I think the seals have big flippers.
Sea lion.
Sea lion, okay.
Oh, sea lion. You see the sea lion? On the rock. Divers, eh? They call cormorants, guys, you know? Look at that guy.
Pelicans on top of the rocks. Oh, there's a beach there. Oh my golly.
Name is Neptune's finger.
Neptune's
But the
finger.
people say it looks like a wolf.
It's a wolf?
Like a wolf.
A wolf.
Oh yeah, like a wolf, right?
But it's shaped like upside down.
Upside down, Baja California, right? But it's got the wolf.
So I guess down on the other side of this rocks is the Pacific Ocean.
Really? That looks like the wall.
So
Look at it at the Lover's Beach in the middle. You see the camel rock,
Camel Rock.
rock formation, a camel sitting down. You see the contact
Where?
on the head. Over there, the left.
I don't. Right? This in the middle?
Different kind. We have yellowtail surgeons and teenagers.
Sergeants. Yeah. Oh, yes. On the side.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe only one team will show up to the bottom.
Oh, there we go. There's a lot of fish. What are these sardines? Or is this chopa? This opening
look at
here
that. I'm gonna make a little stop. Something like
is
that.
called the window to the Pacific.
Look
You can see
right there.
through it.
Look at
The
that.
window.
There's my friend. Pacific
Oh,
window.
the window, yeah. The
We have a
window.
story history about
The
this.
window? Where's the window?
About this case.
Oh,
You know,
there's
this
the
one-
window. There's the window. It's actually
In
an
New York, we
arch.
have a lot of
Window
pilots
to the-
here. You know, Chileno guys,
There we go.
Coors, Guaycura, Cora, you
Window to
know.
the Pacific.
What's up,
That's what it
Chilenos?
is.
Eh? That's what you do.
Yes.
There
Yes.
it is. You see in the middle of the rock, the big rock?
Middle of the rock.
There's a Scooby-Doo.
Oh, yeah. It's Scooby-Doo's head right there. This one here. Oh. Right there. Yes, I see that one. It's
Here in
Scooby.
the arch, you will be able, we're going to pass to the front. You will be able to take it up
Pictures.
your life jacket or take a picture. I'm going to move by the front and you start getting ready.
Okay. This is the
Go to the
arch.
front and we take pictures.
Elias. Yeah, Elias.
Okay, dígame.
You have to push this one.
This is the
Wait a little bit, wait a little bit.
This is the land's end over here.
All boats are
It's the
coming.
tip of and our beloved
Get ready, guys.
Carnival Panorama still
Get
out
ready
there.
for the best picture.
I think we're going back to shore now. There is our ship. Say goodbye to El Arco. There is our beloved Carnival Panorama. Whoops. We are now on the van for the city. It's a city tour. We finished our glass bottom outing. Here's our first stop. First stop to take pictures of the Cabo thing. Dapat doon ka makikita yung Cabo. Oh, there's the Cabo sign. Okay, they gave us 2 minutes here to take pictures. We're ready to go. Let's go.
Porque from Puerto Mexico,
That's where we
they moving over here.
glass boat earlier. There. El Arco. We are here at, we have a stop here at the Blown Glass Factory, San Miguel, something art glass in Los Cabos. We're going to watch people blowing glass. It's a glass blowing factory. I've seen like 2 or 3 of these. That's kind of noisy. Here are some of their finished products. Let's see how much these things are. These are like $45. Very neat. And what are these supposed to be? Christmas lights? We are in the middle of our tour, and the group decided we could eat. So we're here in a restaurant, and I'm not really hungry, I'm just thirsty. We got bottled water, and we're gonna share a quesadilla. So we decided to order a quesadilla to be shared between the two of us. The quesadilla comes with, of course, it's chicken quesadilla with beans and rice and chips and guacamole, and they gave us complimentary chips with salsa. How is it so far? Good. It's good. Okay. So from lunch, we're skipping the tequila tasting. We were dropped off here at this shopping place. We're not really looking for anything in particular. Oh, maybe clothes for kids. I think the shuttles, we pick up the shuttles over here. Let me just see how much those shirts are. A Cabo long sleeve shirts. So we're just walking around here and just taking some videos. Very hot. So we're gonna be going back to the ship soon. Oh, here's a Cabo thing. I think I wanna take a picture here, don't you think? We are boarding our water shuttle now back to the ship. Let's say goodbye to Cabo Ray. Come to the Cabo Ray. Oops. We are now on our way back to the ship. Goodbye, Cabo. There's a beach over there. Looks like only locals are there. It's brown. The sand. Oh, we're picking up some waves now. I don't want to drop my cell phone. We are on deck 10, just making our way to the buffet, the Lido Marketplace. We had lunch during our excursion, but we want to get something different. We're checking out if they have the guacamole here. Guacamoles, are you here? Guacamole. We're here in the marketplace for a little snack. We had lunch in Cabo earlier. What do you have here? Fruit and broccoli something. Steamed broccoli? Is that steamed? And chocolate drink. I have one chicken nugget, cantaloupe and honeydew, and I don't know what this thing is. Some sort of topping for ice cream. And this sweet thing here that looks like, tastes like papaya, dried papaya, sweetened. I don't know. We are here on deck 12 of Carnival Panorama, and we're still in Cabo San Lucas, and I see a Royal Caribbean ship over there, the Ocean of the Seas. I thought I'd just take a short video to show you what Cabo looks like. That's the main area downtown over there, I believe. We were there a little earlier today. Okay, we're on the starboard side of the ship now, and those rocks there, those are the leftmost one is called the Land's End. We went there on a speedboat, and then glass bottom boat, right? And the El Arco is somewhere there. You can see the arch from here. But on this side of those rocks is the Gulf of California, and on the other side is the Pacific Ocean. Dinner at the Vista restaurant. First course, what is our friend having? Spinach salad. Spinach salad, I saw that. Oh, it has mandarin oranges. And walnut? I have crispy calamari and corn chowder. Yummy, yummy. Main course time. And what are you having? Salmon. Grilled salmon with white sauce. I'm having lobster tail. I think there's 2 lobster tails here. Oh my, here's the other one. Mine special. I have 2 lobster tails, courtesy of Anak Lobster Overall. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That was really good. All that's left are the shells. Yummy, yummy. Now, this is the pre-show for tonight's production show called Celestial Strings. It's like a fairy tale kind of theme. This is still part of the, what they call it, pre-show. I don't know what exactly they're doing. I'm gonna be copyrighted, but I like the lights up there too. Of course. This is a production show called Celestial Strings. Celestial Strings. With playlist performers and Celestial Strings. Look at their umbrellas. Chasing cars. What is it? Chasing cars.
If I lay here, if I just lay here.
What is this guy doing? Taking off her clothes one by one.